All right, I'm walking the lot out here. Done a couple videos today. And I just wanted to, I'm just going to do a quick run by, and I'm going to show you these beautiful custom homes. Look at this sucker. Come on, everybody. Tell me where you find a tiny home in the United States of America that looks like that. Holy smokes. Look at the faux rafters, the corbels, the dormers, the change in the siding from, you know, board and batten to lap siding. Oh man. And that's not a custom. I mean, that's a custom. It's not one of our models, but it's gorgeous. But let me go over here. This is 8 foot wide. This is an RJO Freedom style. Let me back up if I can. Freedom style tiny home. Look at the overhang. Nobody does that. I just want to point it out. It's gorgeous, and nobody can beat the price. Let me see, how much is this sucker? Let's see how big it is. I'm going to step it off. Hey, and I'm sorry I'm holding the camera myself. Look, I'm down here. I'm going to walk, so I'm going to step this off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 3 is 18. So this is 20. All right. So it's an 8 by 20 home. Go to our website. Right. Look at an 8 by 20, and I have got right here in my hand. Look right here. Tell me if I'm not organized. An 8 by 20. Right there. This has got dormers. 53.2 for this house. This is an Austin 8 by 20, 50, and if you want it without dormers, it's 51,380. Nobody buys without dormers because, my gosh, look at this. I remember when I got into business 8 years ago. Okay, a 16-foot home from Tumbleweed was $65,000. And it was not stained or urethaned on the inside. It did not have a double dormer. It didn't have any of this stuff. Oh my God. And we're still over $10,000 cheaper 8 years later. Come on. And this is an RJO floor plan. And I'm just going to open the door. I don't want to get inside. Ace is following me. But look, this is a totally finished out house. The walls are white. You see the trim on the ceiling, or the ceiling itself, how it's shining? Farm style sink. This is standard in this house. Shower right here, toilet behind here with a sink. You see the sink. All this is standard. It's got a mini split, double sconces, ceiling fan, loft. I'm telling you, where can you buy a house for $53,000? You can live on the bottom floor if you like, and of course you got this massive upstairs. Okay, I'm talking too much. You guys can tell I'm a little hoarse. And let me shut this door. But I came out here, out of the Thunderdome, and I was like, man, I got to show these homes. It's just stunning. This is the one that we're giving away. I did a video on that earlier. That's stupid, isn't it? I'm giving it away. Like, whew, yep. I know people think, oh, this guy's fake. There's no way you can do all this. Yeah, I can, because I live in a shack. I don't have an island home. That's okay. Tell me, I get a kick out of building these suckers. Or seeing them built now, because I don't physically get to build them. But look at this. This is a design that I came up with, and we did an RJO about 5 years ago. And it has been so popular. And of course, look at, this is an ESP stucco home that is going out on the Grove. We got 13 of them we're building right now. This is an RJO 8 by 20 without dormers. So this is another Austin that we just seen without dormers. So it's just like that one, but this has no dormers, $43,000. Jesus. All right. Thank you, Lord. And then we got one right here. Look at this monster. Look at, now these are the color configurations that we threw together. We got 13 of them to choose from. Another 30-inch overhang. Exposed soffit that is stain grade. We polyurethane it. And on the inside, it's white, it's painted. Stop this. This is gorgeous. The homeowners were here today, looked at this house, absolutely loved it. Gonna go inside, show you a little bit of this home. Hey, let me jump up in here real quick. You gotta see this real quick, all right? So come on. I know you guys are gonna say, oh my God, Randy, what's the size, how much? Get on our website, and I'm gonna show you, look, all right, stop. Here you come in. Here's come in the door. All right, Ace is going to want to come in here. Ace, you're all wet, buddy. Hey, hang on a minute. Here's your staircase going up. Look at that beautiful two egress windows, right? Here's your kitchen. Now, you guys know I do this design. Why? Is because I get the kitchen and the bathroom kind of out of the way, and I spend most of our expenditure in the architecture for this massive living room and bedroom, right? This is a Charleston. Look at this thing. Picture window, 2 304s. The ceiling is polyurethane. All the trim is polyurethane for contrasted on the white walls. 120 plus square feet for a living room. You can put residential furniture inside this tiny home. I love that. I've even seen park models that cannot do that, to have the flow of this living room. Here's your kitchen, cooktop range hood microwave, farm style sink, which is custom inside. I mean, it's just part of the package, right? Window, refrigerator. Over here's your bathroom. You have a vanity, a toilet, and you have a 32-inch shower in this because of the staircase back here. Exhaust fan, lights, barn door, and then let's go back here to the bedroom. Here we go. Look at this. And these are my boys up there, Amish country, that built this. Look at this. I'm talking. Look how they built that. Stop it. Homeowners came in here. And you know what they actually said to me? Look, see the magnets? Look, they actually told me. Let me point something out. All right. These are just 1x boards that they used for a door. Very simple. I love that we're still simple in what we do. But look how they match. Look here. And then I'm going to run you right up this line between the two doors. It doesn't go from nothing to something. It is the same all the way around. I love that they flush mounted these hinges. They didn't put them in between. They didn't notch them out. This gives, I think, a style that I like. There's access panel because that's where the water heater is underneath it. These are the barn doors for the bedroom and the bathroom. And look what these boys did. See that curve? They did not have to do that. They could have done a straight board, but they didn't. They gave it a type of oval look without making anything oval, and then cross bracing on the bottom. 3 windows inside this bedroom. 1, 2, 3. Tell me you shop anywhere in the country and you find a house that has all this inside for this price. And there's your washer and dryer, loft above. The mini split is way down there, and that air blows right across that loft inside this bedroom. And I'm looking at the Charleston's price, and yep, look here. And you can't look because I'm holding the camera. I should have had somebody help me. Okay, the Charleston, $82,500, everybody. $82,500. I was just in a show. They had it, and this is 30 foot long. I was just in the show. It was 8 foot wide, no staircase, none of this going on. 30 foot long, right? $120,000, had nothing like this in it. $120,000. And it was called, I call it a box shotgun house. This is 82 grand. Now, I know that's a lot of money for a tiny house, right? But when you look at what you're getting in this kind of home, 82 grand. So do some comparisons. Look at these dormers. Look at these overhangs. Look at the gutters, the lights, the farm style sink. You got a hose bib. You got a air exchanger. This is all standard equipment on this home. And you know what? We could put a complete off-grid package on there if somebody wanted. I'm losing my mind. Look here. We got another one right next door. All right, so these homes are going to be parked. Some of them are going to be parked up at the sales lot. Here's another one. Homeowner came and looked at this one too. Look at that. These are my boys right here. Look at how they put that star where that light fixture goes. Right? Big trailer. Look at that. Thanks to Byron down in Texas. He builds our trailers with us. That's all underpinned underneath. Somebody's going to say, well, he never shows underneath the house. I just think you guys get bored with it. Let me get down here. Let me show you. See the plywood, pressure treated plywood pan, we call it. There's your electrical and your water hookup. And let me get underneath here even more, right? There's your pressure treated plywood. That's your line set for your heating and air. Look how clean this is. That right there is your electrical plug. So you have an outlet underneath the house. You got your plug in for the main power, and you have a water feed, and you have your sewer feed. All of it's right there. So it's easily accessed from the outside. Right, now this is a Charleston here. Big, huge dormer. Look at the size of that, man, and the corbels. All right, I am gonna do some more videos because we got these things now on site. I'll do it. I just got excited and thought I'd throw a video up together for you guys to look at this. 82 grand base price. Oh my God, this is, or 83, wasn't it? Let me step back. Charleston, bedroom, just like I was in. Bedroom, kitchen, living room, bedroom, done. Mini split, all of it. Mitsubishi, top of the line, air exchanger up there in the loft, done. Okay. Newport, Tennessee, incredible tiny homes. There's my old truck, 94 Nissan. Maybe that's why our costs are so low. Look at my truck. Yep, I got a little screw in it going flat. Over here, the green one over there is the Credibox. That's Tom's hunting shack. He's got maybe 2 more hunts, and that sucker's off grid, and we're probably gonna turn it loose and sell it. That's right. 16-foot Credibox. We've done some videos on that. I start looking around here and I'm like, we got to do some more videos. It's just so much to show. I know it looks like Mad Max wall, doesn't it? Yeah, or no, King Kong. That's what it is, King Kong wall. And we got here. There's so much going on. Guys, I wish I could just do a live cam and walk around. The Crediboxes are being built in there. Right now we've taken a hiatus on the Crediboxes and they're building 10x20s, which is that one for our Grove. We'll be building Grove homes now until the first of the year. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Tune in, subscribe, thumbs up, all that jazz. Thank you. I'm Randy Jones with Incredible Tiny Homes. Make sure you subscribe and view with notifications so you can hear when I'm going to pop in with another video. And hope you're having a great day.